We keep coming back to this theme on the show, and it's attackers targeting the tools developers use to build AI. The latest is Langflow, an open source platform for building AI apps and agents by dragging and dropping components together. It's one of the most popular projects of its kind, roughly 149 stars on GitHub, and a high severity flaw in it is now being actively exploited. The bug lets an attacker upload a file and break out of the folder it's supposed to land in, dropping their own file anywhere on the server, and from there, running their own code. What makes it even worse, out of the box, Langflow logs users in automatically with no password. So on a default install, an attacker doesn't need an account or credentials of any kind. They just need to be able to reach the server. Now, this flaw isn't new. Tenable, the firm that found it, disclosed it back on March 27th. The Langflow application fix is in version 1.9.0, released in mid-April. But months later, attackers are going after exposed deployments that never updated. The security firm Volncheck caught them dropping test files on exposed servers this month, checking which ones are still vulnerable, and then added the flaw to its list of known exploited vulnerabilities. Historical scans over the past year found roughly 7,000 Langflow instances sitting on the open internet, though that may not reflect the number exposed today. This seems to keep happening to AI development tools. A couple of episodes back, we covered a similar takeover flaw in Flowise, another drag-and-drop AI builder. These platforms are powerful, they're being adopted fast, and they often get stood up on a server and forgotten, which is exactly the kind of target attackers look for. If you run Langflow, update to the latest version and don't leave it facing the internet. At a minimum, turn off that automatic login so it actually requires a password.